Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today in this video, I'm going to be creating two easy, quick projects. I'm going to be using two vases, small vases that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. This round vase and this square vase. And I'm going to be using this mirror that I picked up from my thrift store. This mirror is about 7 inches by 4 inches. And it cost me 10 cents. So it's very thin, as you can see, and it was wrapped in that little styrofoam plastic right there so it wouldn't break. I'm trying to see which one fits really nicely on top of the mirror. And yeah, so anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the round base. I'm going to paint that a little bit. I'm going to use a thin wash of paint in the inside. Before I do that, I'm going to clean it out really well with a little bit of alcohol, and I'm going to take a little bit of water and I'm going to put it in the paint. Now there's only a little bit of paint in this container, and shake it up, and then I'm going to pour it inside the round vase. I'm going to turn the vase around till the vase is completely covered with the paint. I'm going to let it dry for a little bit, maybe like about a half hour. And then I'm going to come back and repeat the process. So now this is the mirror again. So because it's so thin, I'm going to make a bottom for it. I'm going to use this cardboard and make 3 panels for it, the size and shape of the mirror, and I'm going to cut them out, and then I'm going to hot glue each one of them together. And so to smooth out those edges, I'm going to use a nail file just to clean it up a little bit. Once that's done, I'm going to use my silver embossed contact paper. I absolutely love this paper, guys. If you follow me for any length of time, you already know that this is my favorite contact paper. And so I'm going to just place this on top. Well, actually, this is going to be the bottom. And I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue just to make sure that the contact paper adheres to the edges of our cardboard. So now I'm going to use a little bit of my clear gel tacky glue, and I'm going to spread it all over the cardboard, and I'm going to place the mirror on top of it, and I'm going to allow that to dry for a couple of hours. So while that's drying, I'm going to show you what kind of bling I'm going to be using. This bling is silver. It's not high shine. It's not a glitter type of bling. It's just been painted silver. It's semi-matte, and it's also self-adhesive. And I'm going to be cutting about 3 of those. So now that the mirror is dry, I'm going to adhere it around the perimeter of the mirror. So this is the bling I'm going to be using. I got this from Amazon. It was a set of 4. You get 4 different types of self-adhesive embellishment. I'm going to use this one today. This one is so pretty. It reminds me of the Greek key design, and it's going to look really nice on the perimeter of the mirror. So now that that's done, guys, it looks really nice, and the bottom looks nice as well. Here's our vase. Absolutely beautiful, guys. I love the way it looks. It looks sort of like a milky white. It's not a completely solid, and it's going to have a little bit of glow coming from it when I put in my tap light. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that Greek key embellishment, and I'm going to apply it to the top edge of the vase. I absolutely love the way this looks. I like the round one because it looks so different with the white paint in the inside. Beautiful glow. It's going to have a soft glow. I'm going to show you that in a minute. And I love the clear representation. The square base looks just as elegant. And guys, look how beautiful this is. Absolutely beautiful. I love the way this came out. This project was so simple to do. It was easy to do, and it was fairly quick. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And with that said, you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.